morning, winners. This is Sasha Fearless, here to let you know that you are beautiful and good enough to accomplish everything that you want in life. As you can see, my guest today has very long, thick hair. The braiding pattern that I'm going to use is something that I got from Beautycanbraid. So ladies, whenever you do your crochet braids, if you'd like to put your hair in a ponytail, do this braid pattern and you'll be able to put your hair up in a bun, a ponytail, or whatever you like without having to leave any of your hair out. This is an amazing, and I mean amazing, protective style. So the hair that I'll be using today is called Mayde Island Goddess Locs, and the color is OT27. This hair is 16 inches, so it's great. It's not heavy, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And that 27, honey, is a blonde. The hairs come already pre-looped. For the install, it should be very easy. Look at that curl, honey. Look at that gorgeous curl. If you've done crochets before, this should be, you should be a pro at this by now. But I just wanted you guys to pay close attention to the beauty of this gorgeous Goddess Locs. Like, normally when you do Goddess Locs, it should take a very long time. But these prepackaged ones takes really little to no time. You can do this in about 30 minutes to an hour tops. That's what makes this hair absolutely amazing. For my beginners, and I mean you guys that have no idea how to use the crochet tool and whatnot, listen, honey, know that you can do this. I know that there are some people out there that have no idea like how to cornrow and how to do any of this. If that's the case and you really want to have this style done, have someone else cornrow your hair and try emphasis on try to do this, because the thing with crochets is the more you practice, the more you do this, the better you get at it. And even if you try and fail, honey, that is okay. Just take it out and then do it again. You can do this. But one thing I find when installing crochets like this is it is very easy for the style to get bulky. So paying attention to the placement of these locks is very important. So as I'm going, you're gonna see later on as I crochet the hair in, I pull the hair up from time to time to see where the locks are when you pull it up in a bun and whatnot. And one key tip that I can give you guys is when doing this, try not to overcrowd. Try not to put too many locks on the hair. You want it to look very natural. Unless you're going for a very full look, try not to overcrowd the locks on the head. Another key tip that I learned from Beautycanbraid is when pushing the crochet tool through the corner, when doing that, I noticed that she does it at an angle. So I don't know if it's a 45-degree angle, but she pushes it through at an angle. And I find that when she does that, the crochet, the hair, it lays better, it falls better, and it looks more natural, and it leaves the hair looking like it has no bump at the root. I've seen some where, shoot, I'm guilty of this. I used to do it and it had like a little bump at the root, which looked quite unnatural. But that's the thing, like after doing this for quite some time, after doing it over and over, I find what doesn't work and I correct it, over time I correct it. It's the same thing like with anything, you guys. I did not just learn how to do this overnight. It took a lot of trial and error. That's why I'm bringing it up to you guys to say that might happen to you too. And if it does, that's okay. It's all about trial and error, okay? We make mistakes, we fix them, and then we move on. That's with life. So again, avoid the bumps at the roots by pushing the needle in at an angle, okay? Whenever I install these locks, I just literally randomly place them anywhere. Like, I have this fear of running out of locks, so I just randomly place them in places so that they fill up faster, and then after that I go in and and fill them in. Hey, it always works. But if you like, you can work section by section. Some people, they start on the left and then they slowly move over to the right, or they start on the right and slowly move over to the left. But I just, randomly throw them in. If you like what you just saw, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you'd like to see all my future videos. Another thing, I really care about what you guys think, and I want to give you guys what you're actually looking for. So if you have any ideas of any future videos that you would like to see, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. Bon voyage and have a wonderful day.